You see these coasters? Yeah, sharp and clean. Steve and Rabia here, but the laser machine. Tag the prompt, make this image ready for engraving. Look at all the time that we are saving. It gives you the file, ready to go. Remove the background, download and flow. Coasters are dry, place them in the bed. Auto measure distance, get the laser lead. Mark the circle area, keep it tight now. Open xTool Studio, make it right. Yeah. Import the file, add the name you choose. Square rock coaster, you just can't lose. Here are the settings, write them down fast. Power 15, make the laser blast. Speed 200, bring the heat. LPC 70, keep it neat. But the most important thing you gotta do, invert the image or the black won't show through. There's the circle, keep the edges clean.